Day 28, Honors Projectiles, problem number 34. Here's another example where you're going to have an expression for v sub x and v sub y, like with problem, I think it was problem 30. So it comes out the same way. It's actually the same angle. So we're using expressions for v sub x and v sub y using sines and cosines. So that's where these came up with, these come from the vector diagram there with your angle at 60, and we plug those into our horizontal and vertical locations. And in this problem, I'm picking point A, well, as always, from my starting spot, and location B is the apex of a projectile. So if I look for my conditions now in the vertical components, my v sub f, my v final vertical, is 0. It's not moving up or down at that top spot. And S is 10 meters. It tells me that the height of that window is 10 meters. So, and A is negative 9.8. So I believe this one's a little easier in a sense that there's not going to be a whole lot of substitution. You should be able to figure out, I think if you just go to the fourth equation, and once again, try some of the different equations. You can try number 1, number 2, number 3, try them all and see what happens. But after you practice enough, I think you'll notice v sub f squared equals v sub I squared plus 2as. Yeah, so we have v sub f is 0 equals v sine 60 quantity squared plus 2 times negative 9.8 times s, which is 10. So I believe you can solve that. You just got to be careful here because you're going to get v squared sine squared 60. In other words, take the sine of 60 and square that. Plus, in other words, minus 4.9 times 10 is 49. So you move the 49 to the other side. It'll be positive 49 divided by the sine squared of 60. Sine of 60, get the decimal, square that. Divide it into 49, and then take the square root to get v.